Welcome to Kiddo Fun.
Daisy, the little duck, and the rainy day surprise. Daisy, the little duck, loved sunny days by the pond. She played with butterflies and splashed in the water. One morning, dark clouds filled the sky. Tiny raindrops began to fall. Daisy felt nervous. She hid beneath a big leaf. Then she saw frogs happily jumping in puddles. "Rain can be fun too," said a friendly frog. Daisy carefully stepped into a puddle. Splash! She laughed and jumped again. Soon she was dancing in the rain. The rain stopped. A beautiful rainbow appeared. Daisy smiled. From that day on, she wasn't afraid of rainy days anymore. The end.